Welcome to the Discover Festival, Newcastle's family fun festival for all ages. Come and have a look.
This event benefits Newcastle as a community because it's a really amazing free offering in the city centre. We were just wondering something to do today and stumbled upon this, and it's been an amazing day full of loads of stuff for the kids to do. It's been really exciting.
I think the idea of having sort of Newcastle University open its doors to the city is brilliant, actually. Showing everybody what Newcastle University does is great, and sort of having an opportunity for the kids to really see what all the sort of options are and all the sort of subjects is brilliant.
I just think it's a great showcase for what's happening at the university, showcasing all the research and teaching that's going on.
So really I have enjoyed the Lego coding.
Making a machine out of Lego, we put batteries in, and then we start moving and it goes all around the place.
What have we done?
We learned about like different foods and like how much sugar they've got in, and like there's like loads of different stuff.
I feel like this event appeals to all ages, from the early years right up to teenagers and adults.
I would recommend the event, yes. I thought it was great.
I must admit, I'd love to see this sort of happening more often generally. I think the whole thing, it's been great. I'd absolutely recommend people come and see it. Yeah, quite looking forward to it happening again.